How to set screen time passcode on iPhone. This is a very good thing. But before that, guys, make sure that your iPhone is up to date. That is the iOS. Tap on General, go to Software Updates, tap on it. So wait for this page to load up. If you have any update here, go ahead and update your device to the latest version. Now that you've updated your device to the latest version, now to set time screen on your iPhone, come to this button that says time screen, tap on it. Once tap on it, then scroll down. You should see this button that says lock time screen setting. Tap on it. Now set a time screen passcode. Tap provide any passcode. Then it comes up that you need to re-enter the screen time passcode. Re-enter the same passcode you enter in the beginning of this process. Now it comes up like this: screen time recovery passcode. If you forget the screen time passcode, use your Apple account to reset it. Guys, I will not encourage you guys to use this, because if someone have access to your device and is able to access this page and get your passcode, the fellow might use that. So tap on cancel button. Then are you sure using an Apple account gives you secure way to reset the screen time passcode if you forget it? Now tap on skip. I'm sure of that. Now I've set my screen time passcode. Now you can see that hi Adiola, 17 years or are younger. So you can take, if you are, so cancel this. So now you've set your screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you get this tip on how to set screen time passcode on your iPhone, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. See you soon, guys, on our next video.